In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D image, photo, or picture in Adobe Photoshop CC completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours effortlessly, click the link down below, subscribe to the channel, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so once you have your image loaded, make sure to resize or to rescale the image so that it fits the whole frame in Adobe Photoshop. The next step is to duplicate your image and click Ctrl+J. In this case, we're going to lock our image by clicking the lock icon right here. Okay, so now once we have the image we'd like to make into 3D, in this case I'm going to resize or make it smaller and then rescale and click OK. I'm also going to click the original image and I'm going to add a Gaussian blur, or click on filter and then click right here, blur, Gaussian blur, and then adjust this according to what you like and then lock the layer again. Now the image that you would like to make into 3D, basically what you want to do is click the up arrow key once and then click the left arrow key once, and then on your keyboard Control Shift Alt T or Command Shift Alt T if you're on a Mac. And as you can see, it copied your image or duplicated it, and you want to do this multiple times. So as you can see, now we have 21 copies of the image, and if I zoom in here you can tell that this looks a little bit like a 3D image, but what you want to do is have the image that you have copied or selected, scroll down and hold down Shift, click on the original image so it highlights everything, and then right click and click Convert to Smart Object. A bonus tip is to right click the image and click Blending Options, and in this case we're going to add a drop shadow, bevel, contour, texture, and then click OK. And then you can repeat the same process one more time. Up arrow key once, left arrow key once, Control Shift Alt T, Convert to Smart Object, and this is the before, and this is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.